Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked if the limit as x approaches 1 of f of x minus 8 over x minus 1 is equal to 10, find the limit as x approaches 1 of f of x. So taking this equation right here, we have the limit as x approaches 1, and we're taking up this whole fraction. So what we can do is take the limit of the numerator over the limit of the denominator. And we know that this is equal to 10. So if we multiply both sides by the limit as x approaches 1 of x minus 1, this cancels, and we're left with the limit as x approaches 1 of f of x minus 8. So we can take the limit of f of x and subtract the limit of 8, just as an intermediate step. This is equal to 10 times the limit as x approaches 1 of x minus 1. We can just plug in 1 here, now that there's no domain restrictions, and get 1 minus 1. So therefore, the limit as x approaches 1 of f of x, the limit of 8 for any value of x is just 8. This is equal to 10 times 0. Therefore, adding 8 to both sides, this is just 0. Adding 8 cancels this, and 0 plus 8 is just 8. Therefore, the limit as x approaches 1 of f of x equals 8.